Hammer on vanilla.
Nice gate, private entry. Got no neighbors to worry about. I like this. This is nice. That doesn't seem like it would be effective. Well, maybe it is. I like this door.
Bruh.
It's like remind me of
A knocker. Bruh, I thought it was eyelash.
This remind me of the vampires' houses. Who comes to my slumber? You remember that?
Yeah, like that.
That's how they say it. Who comes to my... No, that's not how he said it. He said, how he said? Who disturbs my slumber?
They be in a little casket. Oh, that big spider.
Go. Okay. Here go. Stop being scary.
Ain't nobody scared. I ain't never scared.
Scared of spiders. We out here. I'm from the trenches. I used to eat spiders.
This is a nice calming backyard. Look at this little sauna back there.
How many times I gotta tell you to turn the lights on? So I can see better.
Hey, my fault you can't see. I want you glasses.
The camera.
I bought you glasses.
The camera.
I bought you glasses.
What does that gotta do with the see? I'm talking about the camera.
I like this kitchen, man.
Mm-hmm.
I like this kitchen.
I got a nice little backyard. It's a lot of maintenance. Mm-hmm. Bro.
I love it.
You just don't listen, I see.
You got the wooden refrigerators and stuff. I like that.
Oh, I like these
Oh, what's up here?
wooden beams. Those are dope.
And above the kitchen situation.
What's up with all these dim lights?
It's like a little sit room. A little study area. It's got DVDs and comfy sitting chair. I like it.
Wanna do you?
Yeah. What's that projector on the ceiling?
All right, let me see.
You can be all these people being behind it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh wow, the ceiling's about to hit me in the head. It's very dark up here. I don't got no lights. This is very thin. What do you call it? Room over there. What you mean?
Okay.
This is Spider-Man's house.
Okay, Spider-Man's house. What?
Go.
Watch yourself.
Self-watched. Self-watched. It's a nice sized bedroom here. Plush carpet.
Ooh, look at this Spider-Man.
Ooh, look at this closet, Minky. Where?
You got a closet and a washer and dryer here.
And a washer and dryer in your closet. That's clutch. Do they got lights in this room? Let's see.
Somebody
Oh,
keep the
okay.
clothes out.
One of the rooms got lights.
Ha, bathroom with urinal. I love this old school bathroom.
Do you?
I don't know about this whole Bathsheba situation here.
Don't hate on Sheba.
You can see right out the
I like it.
and I love
Bathing in front of the traffic.
I love this shower. Look at the shower.
Oh, this is real cavemanish. I like it.
I love it.
Both sides. Get on your side. Stop getting on my side of the shower. You act.
Right. Love it.
Anyway.
Oh, somebody broke the window.
Oh man. Touching.
Oh, yeah.
So, behind me. Turn the lights up. Now this is a bedroom. Oh no, this might not. Yeah, this is a bedroom.
This is a bedroom. He likes to work out in here.
It's definitely a heavy bag.
Little bathroom here. Okay.
Mike took the mirror. This might have been empty for a minute.
Oh, little pool there. It was a little baby. There was a little baby here.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. That's a long bathroom.
I like that. That's dope. They got lights. Yeah, this is a oddly shaped bathroom. Like, why did they do it like this? I'll put something right here. I don't know. I probably would have just made it a walk-in shower, maybe. Say what? That's it? That's all that's over here? Let's go check out the basement.
Basement's pretty small.
It's finished though, that's dope.
Yeah, this is it.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm. And it's bathroom, that's it.
It is it. That's a nice floor.
I do love this house. It is a cozy one.
Yes, it is. It's
It
very,
gives me very cozy vibes.
very unique.
That's just a garage.
Oh. Okay, they like to go ski doing.
Very cozy.
Yeah, I like it. Like it a lot. I like this sink. It's pretty fly. Alright, cut off all the lights.
Come on, Nancy.
Very.